Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Matt, aka Ego Boost, coming back at you with another video for the first time in a very long time. My last video was a gaming video. If you like anything Forza or gaming related, be sure to check that out. Comment on that and let me know if you want to see more of that. But that's not the focus of the video. Obviously you can see from the title. This is the cheapest remote starter kit on the market, at least that I have found, for the 2015, oh my god, that's really bright. For the 2015 and newer F150s. I do believe this company has, oh my god, I'm a ghost again. I do believe this company has more remote starters, but this I got for I think like $109. I had some gift cards, so I got it for a little bit cheaper than that. But overall, you can get it from this company, StartX. I'll put their link in the description if I can find it again. Either way, I'll give you as much information on this product as I can, as well as help you with the install and then show you the end result. With the cold weather coming up, this is the perfect addition for your F150 vehicle or potentially other truck. Again, I will look up some of that stuff and let you guys know that this is the perfect addition because, yeah, I know this isn't necessary. I could just get in my truck and let it warm up or whatever, or just keep going. But I want to make these turbos last for as long as I can. I want to let my engine start up, and every time I get in, I try to let it warm up, you know, let the RPM settle, and then I get going and on my way. With being in the military, I do have to get up pretty early, go to drill, and different things like that. So it's normally pretty early, and I don't want to get out and just be sitting in all my cold weather gear for, I don't know, like the 5 to 10 minutes or however long it takes my truck to warm up, as well as when I go to class, because I am still a college student, so this is going to be very nice. But without any further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get in this install. So I've got this little table set up, as well as I took it out of the packaging that I got from Amazon. But this is the box that the starter actually comes in, and again, I'll go more in detail about the install in just a second. But this is the StartX remote starter kit, and I took everything that's in the box, I took it out of the plastic, so we could just go ahead and get right into this. It comes with the instructions, of course, that's the first thing that comes in the box, and you could open it. And then as soon as you open it up, you'll see two things. Again, it's normally pre-packaged, but again, I just took it out because I'm way too excited for this. So, this looks like a jumbled mess, but I promise you it's not. And I will show you guys everything on how what gets plugged in. It's very easy, and excuse the crutches, those are my little sisters. Yeah, anyway, it's very clean. You can bundle it up, make sure that way we can make the inside of the truck look as nice as possible and still getting that super nice, obviously, remote start. It does come with some zip ties. We can get that bundled up and out of the way. I'm gonna use some longer ones probably. And then this is the actual box piece of technology. Technically, I don't want to say the wrong word. I will show you guys how this plugs in, but again, this just uses some of the plugs from that right there, plugs into here, and then you use your actual OEM remote. Just like that. So when I would normally go just do the double lock, then it just automatically, that guy was literally staring right at us as we were talking, that's funny. You just do the triple lock. So normally on most cars, unless you use force scan, if you know what that is, comment down below. I'm gonna learn more about it so I can remove the honk. But use the OEM remote. You just click lock once and then again to set the alarm, and then a third time to actually activate that. And I will show you guys once we get it installed. Alright guys, so I'm going to go kind of fast, but just if you have any questions, ask in the comment section, and I continuously answer questions from my videos that I posted well over a year ago. So, here we go. The first thing that you're going to do with this kit, again, there's the wires that look super confusing, but I'm going to explain it right now. You start off with your OBD2 port right there. You start off by unplugging the OBD2 port in the back. And then you grab I believe this is the female side of the connector, and you plug it straight in. I'll do my best to make sure you guys can see this. You plug it straight in. I'm gonna have that upside down, aren't I? Yep. So, bear with me. There we go. So you get that plugged into the OBD2 port, and make sure that is nice and tight. Hear the click. And then this side, of course, plugs into the back of the OBD2 port. And don't worry, I will clean all these wires up and then show you guys what it looks like at the end. So it's going to look rather messy right now, especially because I have an interior underglow kit, so I added even more wires. I can't necessarily show you the back of that, but hold on just a second, let me get this plugged in. Okay, so now that you see I do have it plugged in. It is plugged into the back of the OBD2 port. You'll know because if you have your keys in the ignition, your truck will then begin to that really annoying door chime. So what is next? I'm actually gonna have my wonderful mom assistant hold my camera for me real fast. So you're going to take the pin. It's a four prong or 4-pin connector. You'll know by checking out this kit, you'll see exactly what it is. You plug that in to the little doohickey kit right here. But what you do first is you hold the button until it was supposed to begin to light up, and then you plug it in until it's gonna cycle through some lights. And then once it turns blue again, you release it. It'll do this whole thing and then release, and then begin to plug in the rest of them. So I'll get these plugged in and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now that you have the other things plugged in, there's actually only one more pin that gets plugged in. I know that there's gonna be an empty one and then 2 more empty ones as well. As you see, the kit that I bought only comes with these specific pins or connectors, and they don't actually plug in. And so you can email the company. I'll put their link down in the description, or I'll put it up on the screen somewhere, and you can ask them further questions as to what to do with the extra pins if you so choose. I again did not choose that option. So what you do next, now that everything is going, you just get your key and you put it to the run position, and then the light will begin flashing rapidly 10 times. Sorry for some technical difficulties, but this will begin flashing, and then while this light is flashing, then you turn the ignition off and the blue light will turn off. Then we will remove our key. You see the blue light has now turned off on the kit down there. And then I believe we should be good. All right, so we are rapidly losing daylight. I know it doesn't quite look like it, but that's how actually dark it is outside. But there we go, adjust the contrast. So this works just no problem. I'm actually gonna show you guys the info sheet real fast, actually, before I go ahead and show you how it works. I know in the last clip you just saw, I had everything out. The light was turned off. I took my key out of the ignition. So everything works as it's supposed to. But let me show you the info sheet real fast, so that way before you guys buy this, you know a little bit more about this product. I know you probably can't see it exactly like you'd like to, but pause the video and take a peek at this and let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any issues with it, or you just want to know more about it. And as I'm going through with my experience with both this product and the company, this is not a sponsored video, but I will let you guys know everything that I find out as I go through this. So again, pause the video if you need to, and if not, then let's go ahead and check out this remote start. There is about a 5 to 15 second delay, but it does work with my OEM remote, and do not let that 5 to 15 second delay deter you guys from buying this product, because it's cold outside, or in the summer it's warm outside, and if you have auto temperature, like mine's an XL, so I don't have that option. So when I turn it on, it automatically goes back to my last setting, whether it's heat or cold or whatever. But either way, let's go ahead and get this going. So just triple tap my remote or my lock button. There we go, guys. It completely works as it's supposed to. Took a little bit longer than expected, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. I got this for $100. It's better than $400, and I keep my stock remote, which is awesome. These people across the street are probably going to see me, and I don't particularly care. It's getting pretty dark outside, but oh god, it's getting pretty dark outside, but who particularly cares? So again, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up, and then I'll take a picture and put it on the screen probably, or I'll show you guys and you'll see in the next clip. By the way, I still haven't activated. I still have, it's fully on at the moment. I haven't put it in my key into the ignition to go ahead and turn off the remote start from this last clip. So, but if you would like to turn your vehicle off and you have it remote started and you don't want to put the key in or whatever, or you haven't put the key in yet, maybe or even you do this by accident. Again, I haven't cleaned this all up yet, but simply, I'm not sure if you can hear in the video, but hopefully you can. Hold the brake and it kills the truck. It is no longer on, the key is still out, and the lights are off. The vehicle is completely off. I just wanted to give you guys that little tidbit. Alrighty guys, so the install is completely done. I love it. I can't wait to use it. I'm probably going to use it, if not tomorrow morning, then definitely sometime this week. I don't think I'll even be driving this weekend, so I don't necessarily think I'll need it. But regardless, it will definitely help me out with the colder months coming. I know here in Indiana it gets pretty darn cold, especially in the like January to March time. Anyway, I'm sure you guys will appreciate it whenever you actually get this item. I highly recommend it. Again, there is that little bit of a delay when you actually start it. It's different. The company says it's different just depending on the various models of trucks. Don't let that deter you. This is awesome. My XL truck now has projector headlights. I have a cool Raptor grill. That's totally unrelated. I've got some nice wheels, again, totally unrelated. But I now have remote start, and I now have the underglow, or the interior, like ambient lighting by the floorboard, which is super, super awesome. Check out that video if you haven't already. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, as always, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I'm still answering questions, like I said earlier. I'm still answering questions from videos that I made like well over a year ago. Follow me on Instagram at EgoBoost73. And don't forget to like the video. That's huge. Dislike the video. Tell me what you did not like, by the way. That's also huge. I want to improve, and I want to keep making videos for you guys. Sometime in the future, I don't know when, whenever I actually get some performance mods, I'm going to continue to make reviews similar to this one. This video is getting rather long, by the way, so thank you guys for stopping by, and take care, and have a great day.